4th Annual Food Truck Cook-Off at the Broadmoor World Arena, hosted by the Small Business Development Center and the Better Business Bureau. I'm here with our food truck, Go Fish. Today we're serving up our shrimp po' bite. So it's a small version of our shrimp po' boy, served on a French baguette, garlic aioli, lettuce, tomato, our Cajun fried shrimp, and then sprinkled with our spicy Cajun drizzle. Our regular menu features that, along with fish tacos, shrimp tacos, and fish and chips. You can find us on town. Our website is www.gofish.com. Social media, Go Fish Food Truck. Find out where you can find us and enjoy our delicious seafood here in Colorado.
This is Johnny G's, all scratch-made Mexican. I call it Mexican soul food because everything's made from scratch and from the heart. Today we're featuring for Cinco de Mayo, which is an authentic street food. It's called elote. It's roasted sweet corn with roasted jalapenos. I made a homemade chili lime mayo to put on top, a little bit of fresh grated Mexican cotija cheese, and a little sprig of cilantro, and in a cup right out the door for you guys to enjoy. Thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
All right, so we are the Wild Card. I'm Michelle. My sister Laura and I opened up the Wild Card. We are brand new. We've been around since the beginning of April, so just getting the ball rolling. Super excited to be at the cook-off. Today we have sausage, biscuits, and gravy, and a piece of bacon. We do have a pretty revolving menu. We're kind of all over the place, hence the name The Wild Card. So we do bake your up jalapeno poppers, we have some loaded potato skins, Kahlua pig and rice, we have shredded pork and pico nachos, the biscuits and gravy, just kind of a mix of all of everything.
What's up, everybody? This is Slowdowns Texas Crew coming at you. I'm a Houston boy, so I missed home, so I started bringing up these flavors. It's about Southeast Texas flavors, kind of Cajun, barbecue, Tex-Mex, all thrown into one. Today we're running our Yeehaw Po' Boy. It's been our top seller out at the food truck rallies and on the streets. But it's smoked beef, and then I braise it, and then I make a chili con queso on French baguette bread with green onions. It's to die for, and I think we're doing pretty good today. So hopefully we can bring in the gold. So we'll see. But yeah, this is the crew. We got Agnes over here. We got Cephas. I couldn't do it without these guys, man. They helped me out huge. So come and check us out anywhere. We're gonna probably get a permanent spot on Boulder Street coming up soon. But we'll be at the food truck rallies on Wednesday over at Brayla's Wedding and Events, and try to be down in Fountain on Saturdays as well at the Big Art parking lot. So see y'all soon. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Bridget. I own Ono Foods, Colorado Springs. We're a Hawaiian food truck trying to bring a little bit of aloha to the spring. Right now, today, at the SBDC Food Truck Cook-Off, we have our Kahlua pork sampler. It's a bed of rice with our smoky, salty Kahlua pork, our homemade tomatillo sauce, red cabbage, and pico de gallo. We also, on our regular menu, offer pina colada slushies, spam musubi, and mac salad, and we hope to see you guys soon. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is James Booth with Westside Hot Dogs and More. We're a food trailer based on the west side, but we roll all over the city. And we serve premium hot dogs, 100% beef hot dogs, bratwurst, Polish sausage. I also have a nice meatball sandwich that we serve. And as well as we use a gourmet bun made by Delicious Bakery. He's a former Broadmoor pastry chef that owns Delicious Bakery now. So now we are different than most hot dogs around town, and we won't be disappointed.
Named Filipino Food Truck, and we have the best lumpia in town. We have beef. The day we started the same reason, because of the people that's been trusting us, that's been supporting us since the day one. So we're here because of you guys. Thank you.
The chef Kay. My name is Kaushik, but people call me Kay. I started cooking like 17 years ago, long time ago back in India. So back in India, I have like my own catering business. I was chef. And I cook for like 2,000, 3,000 people. When I moved here, like around 8 years ago, and then I started working in different restaurant stuff, and then as a trainer and like train the people or chef and stuff. Then I quit my job and started the food trucks. So and I started with my burger truck, and that's like in north side of the town. It was like super nice. So people like just come, like 4,000 people rotated around like whole year. So it's like we liked it. So then my wife said like, you from India, and there is no Indian truck, like no Indian food around here, you know, in the Colorado Springs. We should like try the Indian food. Like I was like, I don't know about that. So yeah, so last year we started, like this is the year we started last year. So far we have like more than 500 followers, and people like whoever liked it, they're saying like this is the best Indian food they ever had. So we go different places and stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much.
My name is Michael Brown. I've been a chef for about 16 and a half years, and I finally got a chance to get my own truck and do my own thing. Well, it's called Patties. We thought it was great because it just has patty, and we make burger patties. We try to make it a menu that was built for everyone that we could possibly reach. So there's a burger for just about every burger level you can possibly think of. Our sauces are all made from scratch. Our seasoning blend is custom built for us, and our buns are made about 2 miles down the road. So we try and keep everything that we do as local as possible, as fresh as possible, and people are really responding well to what we got going on, and we're just happy to be here and be able to do what we like to do for fun, and we get to make some money while we do it. So we love to take care of everybody, and our burgers are fully customizable also, so you're not set with the menu that we have. So I think that we're ready, and we are the only burger truck and restaurant in town that features beef cheek. So I think we have our little niche, and I think we're doing really well, and we're looking forward to going on from here and just doing bigger and better things. So.
Hi, so I'm Victoria Tamberg. This is Nature's Start Bread Company, and we are making chicken, bacon, ranch, garlic knots. And we're getting a lot of great feedback. Everybody's saying it's the best, hands down.